Guys, so let's go straight to the point. I'm going to be talking about how to change my Facebook profile to professional mode. It's very easy to do. So now in a normal Facebook profile, there are certain things I won't be able to be doing with this profile except I change them to professional mode, except I turn the setting into a professional mode setting. And this is why I want to be changing this profile to professional mode setting. Okay, so you just click on this profile picture here, then these three dotted lines beside edit profile, click on it, scroll down. You're going to see turn on professional mode. Turn on professional mode. That's the only thing you're going to click. Just click on it and you can see some of the features you get when you're using professional mode. If you're eligible, you unlock monetization tools to earn money, meaning that when you're creating content, Facebook can be paying you. You also be seeing content insights. You'll be seeing how your content is performing, the days to post and the rest. And then people will be able to follow your profile. They'll be seeing follow instead of seeing add as friend. They'll be seeing follow. So I'll just turn this on. And it will automatically convert all my friends to followers. They will automatically become my followers. Okay, so now once you turn this on, you're going to now complete all your settings here. You're going to complete all your setups here. Your own might not be this way, so if your own is not this way, you're going to start afresh and complete all your settings, review your audience, share posts and the rest of it. Okay, so that is that about professional mode setting. So let me go straight and do the main thing that brought me into changing my profile. Till next time, bye.